What's up guys, welcome back to Healthy Recipe. Today we're going to be making probably my favorite drink right now in this hot summer. We're going to make some green tea with some herbal tea mixed in it with an herbal berry tea, and we're going to be using the Ninja hot and cold brew system. It's going to be a really delicious and refreshing tea, so let's get right to work. Alright, so this is our Ninja hot and cold brew system. This is the last system that I think they came out with. We just got it and we're absolutely obsessed with it. It has different filters. This one is for tea. It has the little green tea leaf there. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the machine on. And we're going to put our tea filter in there. It automatically realizes whether it's tea or coffee by the filter that you're using. This is the tea filter. And we're going to take the tea bags and line them in here. I'm using 3 green tea of this organic Bigelow tea, and then I'm using 2 of this Stash organic very berry, and this has a bunch of antioxidants. It's organic, it's berry tea, and it's herbal, so it's really delicious. I love the taste of it combined with the green tea. It doesn't have any caffeine, but the green tea has a little bit of caffeine, so it gives a nice energy boost throughout the day. And then you get all those benefits of the antioxidants by drinking something that's really refreshing and delicious. And this is actually super fragrant, this tea right here. It smells so good. It has hibiscus in there, and it smells really amazing. So you just want to line them up in there to make sure that they get the water to steep them. And this steeps at a lower temperature because it's a cold brew. The Ninja hot and cold system already knows, you know, when we put it to cold tea, it knows exactly what temperature to heat it in. Alright, so we're going to put it in there. Close it. So you want to make sure that your tea bags are on the outside here so they don't fall in. You end up brewing some paper with your tea. And I got my carafe. We're going to make a full carafe of cold brew tea. And we got ice in here. Alright, so we're in classic right now and we want to do cold brew tea. It's a specialty, so we're in cold brew and we're doing a full carafe. Now when you want to select the type of tea that you're going to do, we're going to hit here. And the little tea leaf is gonna become lit up, and then we're gonna go to herbal because we're doing an herbal tea because of this. It's not all green tea, so I'm just gonna brew a cold brew herbal tea, full carafe. So we're pretty much all set. Then we're just gonna hit start, and the machine is gonna start going through the process. It's got these little indicators here. Once this starts flashing like this, it'll go all the way to the end when the tea is done, and it will let you know when it's done brewing the cold brew. It takes about 10 minutes, and you will have the best tasting, no bitterness, absolutely delicious green tea you ever had. Because this Stash herbal tea has hibiscus in it, it brews, instead of being just green like the green tea, it's gonna brew the color like pink. And it smells super aromatic, like it smells up the whole house when you're actually brewing this. So this machine, because this is a cold brew, is gonna brew this tea from 95 to 129 degrees. It's pre-programmed already, so it knows what temperature exactly to make a nice cold brew in. So it's not too hot, and that keeps away from having that bitterness of too much heat going into your tea. So it's really an amazing experience, like the way that this makes the drink. It knows exactly what type of drink you got in there, and it comes out really outstanding. Alright guys, so it's done brewing. And it has an auto drip stop, so when you get the carafe, it won't continue dripping. It automatically stops, so you don't get any down here This has a hot plate, so if you're making any hot teas or coffee, this will automatically turn on after it's done to keep your carafe warm all day. So since this is a cold brew, it's not going to turn that on. It's not going to activate it because it knows that it's making a cold brew. So I'm going to just pour it, and look at the beautiful color. Look at the beautiful color of this tea. And because it has green tea in it, it has a nice amount of caffeine in it. It's very little. It's probably 30 to 40 milligrams of caffeine. But you can sip this throughout the day and it will keep you alert. And you're getting all the benefits from tons of antioxidants of these two teas blended together, the berries and everything else. So I'm going to give it a sip and let you guys know how it tastes. Here we go. Cheers. It's so good. It's got a really fruity taste. The berries really come through. You still can get a little bit of the hint of the green tea in it, and the hibiscus comes right through. Super refreshing. Right away you feel like, you know, like you have a nice boost of energy. I don't know if it's a placebo or it's actually the little bit of caffeine, but right away it makes you feel better. The flavor is amazing. If you guys don't have one of these coffee makers, if you can afford one, I highly recommend it. I'll provide the link below so you guys can give it a try, and you can purchase it through our Amazon affiliate store, and we get a little bit of kickback to the channel. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you really soon on the next one.